Hello everybody, so this is Ram and I will be teaching how to speak English fluently with other persons. Okay, and guys, I have a two YouTube channel. First is Vidarbh style English, and this channel is from Marathi to English, how to speak English from Marathi to English. Okay, second one is spoken English by Ram Kulmate. Okay, and this channel is from Hindi to English. Okay, so guys, you don't worry about this. I will be teaching from Marathi to English and Hindi to English, because so many, I think so many different languages person living in this India. Okay, in India. So that's why I have take a decision to be teaching how to speak English in these two languages. Okay, and guys, in this syllabus, in this English speaking syllabus, there are 52 or 60 topics also. Okay, and you don't worry about this, guys. I will be covering all over the topics. Okay, all over the important topics. But I think so it's a need so many long duration. I think so there are 6 months also need, but you don't worry about this, guys. I think so one by one I will be covering most important topics. Okay, and also guys, these all of the topics also very important, and it is necessary to be improving your English communication. And one of the best and one of the most things, English, I think so board examination also coming, like a board examination 10th and 12th board examination also coming soon. So Maharashtra State Board and CBSE board examination. Okay, so that's why I have taken a decision, guys. In this next 2 months, next 2 months I will be focused on this theoretically, because this board examination also need theoretically grammar knowledge. Okay, so that's why next 2 months I will be teaching theoretically. Okay, so I think so exam point of view, so that is related to the exam point of view. So that's why 10th and 12th examination, or these candidates also watching my this video. Okay, from the, like, have a Facebook page and Instagram page. Okay, so in this page I will be uploading related to the English videos, so you don't worry